G'day YouTube, JB from Oz. Today's workshop update is a workshop relocate. The decal, some various other shop gear, guillotine, pan brake, roller brake thingy, drill bit and tool die sharpening jig, Hercus back plate. But the decal's the next one we need to prepare today. We've moved these other bits of gear out to the front of the shop ready for collection. So we've got the power hacksaw, got the Douglas shaper, got the Hercus lathe 9AR. We have the Microcut Buffalo Machinery Microcut surface grinder. We have the Clarkson tool and cutter grinder, and pièce de résistance, the Elliott 820 hydraulic automatic surface grinding. So, part one of the move. Alright, moving it, maestro. Wheels are good. Decal walking. Bring out your decal. Bring out your decal. Bring out your decal. Bring out your decal. Power cord negotiated. And bring out your decal. Having things on wheels. Somebody ought to give that man $1. The man what invented the wheels, or maybe it was a woman. Who could tell? Probably was a woman. Alrighty, ready for the truck for 7:30 tomorrow morning. Thanks. Okay, doing our final make ready of locking everything down. We were just discussing what you would call a collection of machines. There's a murder of crows, there's a flock of seagulls. Would you call it a scrap of machines? No? A museum, maybe. A museum of machines. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our museum of machinery. Intermission at the moving of the machines. Still got the Clarkson and the iron plate to go. The Elliott's going to stay here for this trip, which is a bit heavy for the tail lift. So far on the truck we have the decal at the front, then the Hercus, then the Douglas, then the Buffalo. Not one thing, it's another. Pallet trolleys just decided to give the ghost up. So it looks like the lift seal has died. It's not leaking anywhere. So we'll see if we can find another one. We now have the Clarkson on board. Elliott will be staying here. Timber bench ready to go. Block of steel ready to go. Strap, strap. Got a couple of choices there. Truck is loaded. Closed up. Ready to hit the road. Time to unstrap the load. we have arrived.
John's a handed, mate.
So my theory here is I'm going to try and drive it out on this bit of wood here. Yeah. Keep going. Got your head? Yep.
So, thought here.
Take this off and put that back on the bench.
Yeah, we'll just park it out there for the time being. I can lift it with the crane later. That's easier.
Clarkson is on the ground. Room for some more? Still more to go. Now, with gravity's assistance, not going anywhere. Now we have 4 machines to go.
So, Dave, I'm just wondering with that one.
Pallet trolleys are an awesome invention, eh?
You're going to get as wide over as you can, do you? Right over that edge if you can.
One buffalo on the ground. We got still the Hercus, the Douglas, the Deckle. Making good progress though.
Metal Museum happening.
Mal's Metal Museum.
Yeah.
Triple amp. So the Douglas survived the trip, mostly in one piece, as did the Clarkson.
The wood going to clear? Is wood going to clear?
Yes, sir.
You're on? Oh, for a tail lift. How cool is that? Go around to the other side. You on hand?
I think so.
Okay, I'll stop the video.
We can just go up again fractionally and move
Shift those
this
boards up.
door underneath beside this door. Well done, Margaret. Hey.
Holy crap.
And bring the other way into there.
How am I going to get it off?
The move she's completed. Joining the CVA and the KV2 is the Deckel FP1, the Douglas 10.5 inch shaper, Clarkson Mark II, Mark 1, one of the two, Hercules 9AR, Buffalo